Are you navigating the Solana ecosystem with clunky, disconnected crypto wallets? Struggling to find a single, intuitive platform to manage your SOL, tokens, and NFT seamlessly? Do you long for a secure and comprehensive solution that puts you in full control of your digital assets? Discover the Serene Solana Wallet App, a fully functional Flutter crypto wallet designed to revolutionize your digital asset experience. This elegantly crafted application is your all-in-one portal for the entire Solana blockchain, built for both users and developers. Create new wallets or securely import existing ones using mnemonic phrases or private keys, ensuring your assets are always accessible. Effortlessly send and receive SOL and any SPL tokens with instant transaction confirmations and convenient QR code scanning capabilities. Stay ahead of the market with real-time price tracking for all your cryptocurrency holdings, keeping you informed at a glance. Showcase and manage your cherished Solana NFTs directly within a beautiful, dedicated gallery designed for easy viewing. Dive into the decentralized world using the integrated DApp browser, connecting seamlessly with your favorite Solana applications. Grow your investments by staking your SOL directly from the app, earning passive rewards with remarkable ease and transparency. Execute token swaps efficiently and get the best rates, powered by the industry-leading Jupiter aggregator right within the wallet. Benefit from enhanced security features like biometric authentication and custom RPC setup for advanced users. Stay connected and informed with push notifications, and enjoy the app in your preferred language with robust multi-language support. The Serene Solana Wallet also supports Wallet Connect v2, broadening your interaction possibilities across the decentralized web. Stop compromising on your crypto experience with cumbersome, fragmented tools. Embrace simplicity, security, and powerful functionality with the Serene Solana Wallet App. Take full command of your Solana assets and explore the blockchain with complete confidence and ease. Elevate your entire Solana experience starting today. Find the link to the Serene Solana Wallet App in the description below and get started immediately.